Something bold is coming from nothing, and this time, it's not just about aesthetics or transparency. It's about taking the entire smartphone software experience up a notch. After the solid reception of Nothing OS 3.0, which brought speed and a streamlined interface, the company isn't settling. Instead, they're preparing to roll out Nothing OS 4. And if the leaks and insider chatter are accurate, this update is set to push boundaries. Cleaner, faster, smarter, and better integrated with what's coming next. Where OS 3.0 offered fluidity with a few hiccups, like slight lag while switching apps or inconsistent animation timing, OS 4 aims to smooth out the rough edges. System optimization is front and center. The focus? A performance experience that stays snappy no matter what's thrown at it. Expect sharper transitions, higher frame stability, and a general polish across all interface elements. Nothing isn't just refining, it's evolving its signature software look with subtler animations, tighter control over UI dynamics, and more design consistency throughout. This time, AI isn't a buzzword, it's a core function. Sources suggest Nothing OS 4 is diving deep into on-device intelligence. That means smarter voice recognition that actually adapts to your usage patterns, suggestions that feel intuitive rather than random, and AI-driven tweaks under the hood that make the phone feel lighter and last longer. Battery performance, in particular, may see meaningful improvements thanks to predictive AI-based power distribution, ideal for gaming, streaming, or just surviving the day. Security and privacy aren't left behind. Nothing understands today's users want power and control without sacrificing peace of mind. Expect redesigned permission settings, stronger encryption, and more transparency in how apps interact with your data. It's not just about locking things down. It's about making privacy easy to manage without digging through endless menus. The OS will also align with Android's latest security standards to ensure everything stays current. Looking ahead, Nothing OS 4 isn't just a standalone upgrade, it's a setup, specifically for the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. The software is reportedly being tailored to maximize the capabilities of this next-gen device. Think better camera performance, tighter interaction with the glyph interface, and more responsive handling for high-demand applications like games or multitasking environments. It's not just about what's new, it's about making hardware and software feel like one piece. The release is on track for the third quarter of 2025, just in time to launch alongside the Nothing Phone 3. For existing users, the update will be available at no cost, and for those eyeing the new flagship, early price expectations point to a $499 to $599 range, keeping Nothing's strategy of premium design with accessible pricing intact. With OS 4, Nothing isn't reinventing the wheel, it's refining the ride.